Hi, my name is Lexis Rodriguez, and today I'll be discussing how to use an apostrophe S to show possession. One of the main reasons why I personally struggle is because my own name already ends in an S. I've seen my name with just an apostrophe at the end, as well as my name with an apostrophe and an S at the end. In both instances, an instructor told me that their way was correct, which led to a lot of confusion on my part. Although both ways technically are right, only one of them is correct when it comes to APA style. We'll actually get more into the reason why in just a bit, but until then, can you guess which one is right? If you guessed it was the second version, you're correct. The main purpose of an apostrophe S is to show ownership. There are three types of possessive nouns, the first being singular nouns. If a word is singular, this means that something belongs to someone or thing. If a word is plural or compound, this means something belongs to a group of people or multiple things. When a noun is singular, this means we're only talking about one person or object. If the noun does not end in an S, like the word cat, we add an apostrophe and an S, and we get the cat's shadow. If the noun does end in an S, like the word boss, we still add both the apostrophe and an S, and we get the boss's idea. Remember when I said we'd come back to why we should have an apostrophe and an S at the end of my name? Well, according to APA style, all proper names, even if it ends in an S, gets an apostrophe and an S added to the end. Here we have J.K. Rowling's books. We also have a burger that belongs to Prince Charles, or Prince Charles's burger. Even though his name, Charles, ends in an S, we'll still add an additional S accompanied by an apostrophe to adhere to APA's rules. When there's more than one person or object, the noun is plural. If we're talking about multiple things, like more than one dog, we just add an apostrophe and have the dog's blanket. The one blanket belongs to both dogs. If the plural noun does not end in an S, like children, we add apostrophe S. So here we have the children's toys. Possession also includes compound nouns. Here, I'm using my parents, Nancy and Louie, as an example. This puppy belongs to both Nancy and Louie, hence Nancy and Louie's pit bull puppy. You would only change the second noun in this sentence to the proper possessive version. Again, Louie is a proper noun, so you will only add the apostrophe and the S to the end of his name. And here's a photo of my parents' pit bull puppy. A great way to overcome the struggle is to practice writing the proper possessive forms. If you're having a conversation and do not have pen and paper in front of you, you can still practice by visualizing this in your head. Visualize what the possessive, singular, plural, or compound noun would look like if you were to be writing it down on paper. Would you need to add just an apostrophe or both an apostrophe and an S? Now that you have a deeper understanding of how to show possession, I hope you get to practice this metacognitive mechanic soon. Here, I've added the Grammarly reference I used for this presentation. The Grammarly blog post discusses proper ways to show possession for singular, plural, and compound nouns. All of the photos are stock images found within PowerPoint, except for the Pitbull photo, which I took myself. Thank you.